Hi. Down. Right, so these are all the Ackees that came off the tree just now. Oh my God. Hey family, welcome to Empress Yudah and Ras Natural Livity channel. Today I'm going to be doing another video on Ackee. This time it will not be on the canned Ackee, but the fresh Ackee off of the tree. And the previous video that I did brought me 104 beautiful blessings. Who came forward on this channel and decided to hang on. So let me say welcome. But did you know that there was two different type of Ackee? The butter Ackee and the cheese Ackee. So the butter Ackee is the soft aril Ackee. The one in a Jamaica where they say when you're cooking at the pot, as you turn on the water and it start boil up, everything plaka plaka. That is the butter Ackee. Then you have the cheese Ackee, which is the hard aril Ackee. The cheese Ackee is the one that I like because those arils are very firm, and when you cook it, it just stand up firm in the pot same way. So Ackee don't only taste good, you know. Ackee also have a lot of health benefits. I bet you never know some of these. Ackee has vitamin A and vitamin C. And these two vitamins are loaded with antioxidants. And you know antioxidants, they fight off free radicals. And you know the big C? That one, that's C growth. So the antioxidants that's in Ackee, from the vitamin A and the vitamin C, will fight the free radicals. So it eliminates the growth of that in the body. Also, Ackee is good for your eye health as well as your skin health. So you eat enough Ackee, your skin will good, and your eye will also good. Ackee also supports your immune system. So, you know, when you eat Ackee, that will help you, especially in these times when you know what we're going through. All kind of things, all kind of pestilence been thrown. All kind of pestilence you hear about from left, right, and center. With that said, I'm going to leave this Ackee business right here, so until my next video. Let me know if you knew about the health benefits of Ackee. Let me know if you didn't know about the two different types of Ackee. Let me know if you love Ackee or if you think so you love Ackee more than me. Come argue with me in the comment section because you can love Ackee more than me. Blessed love family. I'm out. Empress Yudah.
Rastafari lips and brains. I tell them,